Hello guys and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video where we break down all the things about affiliate marketing in this series of videos, and today we are talking about a important skill, which is finding the right product. Whatever you are just starting or leveling up your game, we have got your back. In this video I will show you step-by-step guide to help you pick those winning products in a free way that can boost your earning. And let's start. First thing you have to do is don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell for more insider tips. And if you are ready, let's go. First thing you have to do is choose a niche. You can't move without the niche if you are just a beginner. Especially if you are just a beginner, you have to choose a niche because you are going to work randomly without a niche, and it's not gonna go viral compared to if you choose the niche that you want. And if you want to choose a niche, first you have to, for example, come here. This is an account that I did a week ago just to show you, um just to do as an example for my links to see if they work out. And like you see, they work very well. Now what I'm going to do, for example, I'm going to go here on click on the commission income, and I will find here this uh table where all the product category and the fixed commission income rates. The first one we have is Amazon game. Like you see, it has a high commission, and then we have luxury and beauty, luxury store beauty, and Amazon Explore. Also, we have the third one is digital music and like physical music, a lot of digital videos and more. So like you see here, you can keep going and read all these. And at home product, what I'm going to focus on, we have home product here, kitchen. So when I'm with I do a lot of kitchen products, and home improvement is here. So like you see, it's between here and here. And this is the first thing you have to go, which is fixed standard commission income rates from the specific product categories. This is the first one, table one, that you have to go and search for. Also, you have here like special commission income, and you have other things like here we have, for example, they tell you that you have Amazon Prime free like trial via Prime Day, and you will see here the bounty rate. So you can go scroll over all these and read and see. Also, once you choose the niche, you have first thing to focus on. Are you interested in that niche? Look into popular areas and find things people are really into. So once you are done with choosing the niche, this is the second step, which is you have to find the winning product. If you don't want to use like the payment method, like pay for uh websites or e-commerce website that will help you to find the winning products, there's a free ways that I use, which is the first one. Once I come back here on my main page, I will find here these products are selling fast. I can click and check out the popular item that Amazon itself gives me. And like you see now, it just changed. This one, after a minute, what was in the third place, now it's in the second place. Once I scroll over, I will find out more about these movers and shakers and home kitchen. And you need to know that kitchen is between the top commission high commissions in um table where what we sold. And you can scroll down and you will find a lot of other things as fashion, like you see here. Also, the second category that is in high commission, which is luxury. So you can keep scrolling here. So I use this one too. And also, you can go to TikTok and you can. So, for example, this is a product. This product was in the trend on Amazon, and for example, if you don't want to go with between those winning product on Amazon, you can just click here, for example, on the niche home product. For example, I'm going to click on it, and TikTok will give me viral videos about home product that I can use and see if people are interested in that product. And to know that, just go to um, comments and see what people are saying. So for example, I will go click on this one and I will scroll down. So I will choose any one of these. So this is one of the home products, and I can scroll here on comments and see what people are saying about those products. And also you have here viral videos, like you see a lot of views, so you can use this. And also once you find the product, then all you need to do is just click and tap the product, and and search about the name of the product on Pinterest to have high quality pictures, and go to TikTok and search for videos to have videos. Go to TikTok, download without watermark, and you will find TikTok videos on your laptop without the watermark, and you can start posting them with some trending music. Also, there is a lot of other ways that I use. So like you see here, this is the Instagram I just make this week, and like you see, it has a lot of views and a lot of like counts like reached to my account. And I don't even have followers, and like you see, all my reels are going viral, and I have a lot of clicks to my links just a week. This is all in just 1 week. So there is a lot of other things like I do, which is product trends. I go and check out what's cool right now and stay on the top with stuff people love. Also, I have to learn from others to see what successful folks are doing, and also copy some tricks from the best. So I go to some drop shippers or affiliate marketers accounts and see what product they are promoting right now. So I go to successful accounts and see, and I can copy them. Also, I have to add something from my work to not just copy and paste. And also I have keywords magic, I use them. So I use words people are typing to see what is going on and find out what's hot in searches now. Also, you have Amazon's bestseller, like I showed you before. I see what everyone is buying on Amazon, so I can pick stuff that always wanted. And also we have customer review. I go to e-commerce platform and I see customers review, like read what buyer are saying, is that product is good, is not, and choose thing people love and need. Also, we have to do some smart marketing. So once I download videos without watermark and Pinterest pictures, I just create interesting content. I plan cool ways to tell people about the product. I use ChatGPT to create some descriptions. Also, I have some like earning money ideas, like I can try out various method based just links. And this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one.